Next, highest common factor of 48 and 162 is. How to find the HCF? I have solved it in my other videos also. So same thing, 48 and 162, write it over here. Find what is the number which is commonly dividing both. So 2 24s and 2 8s and 1s 81s. Now is 24 and 81 divisible by 2 again? No. Then 3. What is the test of 3? 4 plus 2 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. So it is done. Is 8 plus 1 9? Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So both are divisible by 3. Try it. 3 8s are 24 and 3 27s are 81. Now 8 and 27. Is anything common between 8 and 27? Any number? No number. So that is the only HCF over here. So the HCF is 2 multiplied by 3. HCF is 6.